If you're not using automated rules yet, you're probably losing budget on ads that should have been turned off days ago. In this video, I'll show you 3 real rules you can set up right now to automatically turn off underperforming ads before they waste your money. Let's build them together. Head into Ads Manager and select a campaign. I'm selecting all ads inside it. Click the More drop-down and under Automated Rules, click Create a new rule. Keep Custom Rules selected and click Next. Here you can choose what the rule applies to, all active campaigns, ad sets, or ads, or just the ones you've selected. For this example, I'm keeping it on my selected ads. For the action, I'm choosing Turn off the ads. This is the safest starting action because it protects your budget immediately without deleting anything. Now, for the condition, this is where the real logic happens. You can set conditions based on spend, cost per result, total results, time running, conversion events, frequency, and more. Let's build the first one. My average cost per result usually sits under $4, so I'm setting the condition at cost per result greater than $8. That's double my normal cost, which tells me something's clearly off. I'm also adding a minimum impressions requirement of 4,000. This matters because without enough impressions, the cost per result number isn't reliable yet. You don't want to judge an ad on tiny early data. Now I'll name the rule and click Create. Next rule, turn off ads if frequency is greater than 5. Frequency means how many times on average the same person has seen this exact ad. Once it crosses 5, your audience has likely seen it too many times already, and performance usually starts dropping from ad fatigue, so this rule catches that automatically. Last one, turning off ads based on how long they've been running. Meta measures this in hours, so let's do the math. 100 days equals 2,400 hours. I'm setting my condition at 1,500 hours, which works out to roughly 2 months. So once an ad has been live for about 2 months, it turns off automatically because creative naturally gets stale after that point, even if performance still looks okay. Once you've created your rules, you can see all your active ones right here from the drop-down. And from this same menu, you can manage them anytime. Turn a rule off temporarily, edit its conditions, or delete it completely. And that's 3 real automated rules you can copy right now to protect your budget while you sleep. If this helped, subscribe for more hands-on Meta Ads tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.